Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 15th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across metals and mining, banking and financials, infrastructure, IT and technology, pharma, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in metals and mining. Tata Steel dropped sharply -1.65% to 185.16 Indian rupees. This comes as Y is BHP, ASX BHP, setting the pace for metal and mining stocks. Kalkine Media, adding pressure to energy markets. After today's weakness, the $179.61 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Tata Steel. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to banking and financials. SBI climbed plus 1.52% to 1,030.80 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that India inflation tops RBI's 4% target in June, briefs Finance. The Yono digital banking platform is building a retail liability moat. Corporate loan book quality, the historical weak spot, is now at decade-best levels. The dividend policy has become more generous. Watch for any RBI guidance on priority sector lending norms that could affect cost ratios. Moving to infrastructure. Larsen & Toubro is down -1.45%, trading at 3,793 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures extend gains ahead of earnings, wholesale inflation data, Yahoo Finance. After today's weakness, the $3,679.21 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Larsen & Toubro. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to IT and technology. Infosys is down -1.42%, trading at 1,077.40 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures extend gains ahead of earnings, wholesale inflation data, Yahoo Finance. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. Moving to pharma. Dr. Reddy's dipped -1.33% to 1,229.60 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures extend gains ahead of earnings, wholesale inflation data, Yahoo Finance. After today's weakness, the $1,192.71 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Dr. Reddy's. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.26, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.